Bonjour, c'est Claire at French in the Midlands. In this video, I'm going to show you how to say this, that, these and those correctly. First of all, how to say this and that followed by a noun, like this computer, that pen, and so on. So obviously you have to remember your gender. Let's start with a masculine, so he words. And to say this computer, which is masculine, you would say cet ordinateur, C-E-T, because ordinateur starts with an O. If you wanted to say this coat, you would say ce manteau. Okay, so it always depends whether the word starts with a vowel or not. Here's an example. Ce livre est très intéressant. Tu devrais le lire. Ce livre est très intéressant. Tu devrais le lire. This book is very interesting. You should read it. Cet hôtel est accueillant. Cet hôtel est accueillant. This hotel is welcoming. You see here that the word hôtel has a silent H in French. Therefore, the sound is O. That's why you have to use CET, like I explained first. Now let's have a look what happens with feminine words. Ce becomes cette, C-E-T-T-E. Sounds exactly the same as C-E-T, by the way. Ne prends pas cette fourchette, elle est sale. Ne prends pas cette fourchette, elle est sale. Don't take that fork, it's dirty. J'avais complètement oublié cette chanson. I had totally forgotten this song. J'avais complètement oublié cette chanson. And of course, we have the situation where it's more than one thing, in which case, ce and cet becomes ce, C-E-S, and you never say the S, by the way. The combination of E and S make the sound E. So you say c'est. Ces chaussures sont plus confortables que les autres. Ces chaussures sont plus confortables que les autres. These shoes are more comfortable than the others. Ces cerises sont bonnes. Ces cerises sont bonnes. These cherries are good. And then, of course, you've got the situation where you want to say this and that as a self-contained word, this thing here and that thing there. And you may even point when you say that, in which case it becomes ceci and cela. But that's quite posh. So let's start with the correct way of saying it, which is ceci and cela. We use that in writing mostly. Nobody I know will ever say ceci and cela, it's too posh. You could ask, vous préférez ceci ou cela? Do you prefer this or that? Let's see what happens in spoken French. Ceci disappears. Cela becomes ça, which is the short version of cela. Okay, and we use that for both. It's not correct. Let me hasten to add, because I know a lot of people will say, oh, you shouldn't teach that because it's not correct. No, it's not. It's how we speak. So I have to teach you both. In effect, you would say, vous préférez ça ou ça? Do you prefer this or that? Again, it's not correct, but that's what we say. That's how we say it because it's a shortcut. Please give me a like if you've enjoyed this explanation and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And remember, you can always download your 12 Golden Rules of French for free by clicking the link in the description. And I'll see you in the next video. À bientôt!